everyone, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So, without wasting any moment, let's get started. Today, we will paint on these glass jars. My mom asked me to customize it, so let's do it. For the first one, since it's summer and fresh morning, let's paint sunflowers. Brown dots at a suitable distance and then use yellow paint for petals. By the way, I'm using acrylic paints here. Fill the whole jar with beautiful sunflowers, bright and shiny. Aw, so cute. But थोड़ा boring लग रहा है ना? Now to make it more happier, I will use dark brown and create such strokes on the petals. Aren't now they looking more beautiful? Moving towards the second one now. This one is slightly bigger than the first one. So let's paint tropical leaves, palm leaves. Green, calm, detailed, engaging and pleasing. Paint palm leaves with simple strokes all over the glass jar. You can choose any other tropical leaves. I am totally loving this process. So soothing strokes. I'll use yellow paint to show some highlights on the leaves. This is so lively and pretty. And now, the last one, my brother's favorite. Well, this jar is again a smaller one. Paint big yellow circles at equal distances all over the glass jar. And then, paint your favorite emojis on this. Happy, sad, surprised, shy, funny, and as you wish.
Do create it and share with me. I would love to see your artworks. DM me on Instagram. I'll add the link in the description box.
And ta-da! So cute! Loved the outcome. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching till the end.